Okay guys, so by the title of the video you guys can see that I am doing a makeup tutorial. I have filmed this video before, but then I was like, no, I can't post this type of content to you guys. It was literally a mess. I did my eyebrows on camera, so it was a mess. So obviously if your eyebrows are not okay, then definitely your makeup will be a mess. So now I just did my eyebrows off camera. So yeah, without wasting any time, let me just get into the video. So to do my eyebrows, I've started off with using this got2b glue. I use this got2b glue on my eyebrows just to flatten them because my eyebrows are quite a mess, so I use this glue to do so. And then I went over with this brush that I got from Mr. Price. I got this brush for around like 50 rand. It comes in a pack with other brushes as well. So I use this brush, this Mr. Price brush to brush down my eyebrows. So yeah, so without wasting any time, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which I got at Clicks for around 120 or 130, I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to use this foundation just to apply on my face. I'm going to apply this foundation on my face. So the way don't mind me also if I will be looking down, because my mirror is down here and my phone is down here. So I'll be going in with the foundation. And I'll be using this sponge that I bought from Clicks. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my concealer that I used to underline my eyebrows. The concealer that I use is the Smudge concealer. I don't highly recommend this concealer because it's a bit too thick and it dries up very fast. So I'm going to go in with this concealer that I got from Clicks as well. So I am going in with the same brush that I used to foundation my face. One thing I don't do, I don't let my concealer stay for long, because as I said earlier that this concealer dries up very fast, so I don't want to keep it there for long until it dries. Alright, so once I'm done, oopsie. So right now I am going to use this mousse, this brown mousse, to just contour. I don't know whether you call it contour, but I'm just going to use this just to do my upper head and my chin area, and yeah, that's basically that. This okay, so now I will be going in with the same sponge that I use. I don't know, but I like using sponge to my face because I prefer them more than I prefer brushes, because I don't know how to use brushes. As I said earlier, that I am a beginner, so I'm not quite fond with this type of things. So yeah, let's just do what we're supposed to do. Okay, so now I am going in with my Yardley translucent powder that I got from Clicks as well. I think it's around 100 and something, but it's not more than 200 rand. So I will be using a sponge just to put the powder on my face. And also guys, I am wearing clothes. Please don't say I'm not wearing anything. I don't know if you guys can see it. There, I am wearing something. It's just not visible in the video. Okay, so I'm going to leave this powder for around like 15 or 10 minutes. Okay, so it's past 5 or 10 minutes now. I'll be going in with this brush that I got. I actually got this brush from Chinatown. So yeah, I'll be going in with this brush to brush off the powder that I had. So now I'll be using this matte instant spray that I got from Essence. I also got it at Clicks. So I'll be using the spray just to make the powder look more finer. Actually, for the powder to sit well. So I'm going to wait a while until it dries up, and then after that I'm going to go and highlight. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this Mimi Q highlighter and bronzer. I got this very cheap though. I got it at Mimi Q in Cape Town. So I'll also be using this brush to do the highlighting because I don't have that flat brush that you guys use. So yeah, I'm going to use this brush. Okay, so now I'm just going to highlight my nose. I like using my finger to highlight my nose, so I'm going to do that. So right now I'm going to go in with this Revlon Dramatic Definition mascara before I apply my lashes. So I'm going to go in with this mascara. It's a bit finished though because I had this mascara for probably be like 4 years now. Because back then I just used to put mascara on just for makeup. So my mom got me this mascara. And I think Clicks also still has this mascara. I'm not really quite sure. So as I was saying, when I was young, I just used to apply mascara on my face and then I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Now it's just this beginner friendly makeup. That's all. Okay, so I'm done with using my mascara. So sorry, for my low lashes, I like to check my mirror because usually I make mistakes. So I'm gonna look at this mirror to do my lower eyelashes. Because I want to see what I'm doing. Okay guys, so the eyelashes I'll be using are these. See, I'm plugging you all with these eyelashes. Like I got these lashes from Mimi Q. They come in a package like this. So I got these. It's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the whole week. So I am going to use, I feel like something simple and natural. So I'm just going to go with these ones, but they're not a bit natural, but I like them. So I'm gonna go with these lashes, these ones. The glue I'll be using, I'm using the bonding glue. It's also from Mimi Q. This bonding glue. This bonding, I got this for 25 rand at Mimi Q. So yeah, let's get into the lashes. Okay, so I'm going to put the other side also. Now I'm going to go in with the left eyelash. Sorry, my mirror, can't see. Wait, ooh, can't see much. Okay, so I guess that's basically that for my eyelashes, because I don't apply the eyeliner because I can't do it, but I'm learning. So I can't apply the eyeliner, but I am learning to apply the eyeliner. So I don't want to do something that I'm still learning to do, but maybe I will try and do a video where I attempt to do the eyeliner. So the eyeliner or the eye, what do you call it? Hey, I don't know, but okay, that thing that you guys do. So yeah, I will try and do that. So that's basically how I do my makeup, and I'm gonna go with this spray again. No, this. Ta-da! Alright guys, so this is how I basically do my makeup on a daily. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please like, comment, share. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my video.